Hello, welcome to your first lesson in batch files. Now I'm going to delete this so I can show you how to create a batch file. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to New, open up and create a new text document. You're going to open it, File, do Save As. Okay, so now you can do whatever you want to name it, .bat, and hit Enter or hit Next or whatever. And then here's the regular text document. So what you're going to do is you're going to delete it. Okay. And here's the batch file that you had created out of the text document, named whatever you named it, .bat. Okay. So you're going to click on it. You're going to left click. You're going to left click on it. You're going to right click and go down to edit. You're going to edit it. Now, we're going to start off by going echo hello. We'll do pause. Okay. Do file. You save. You open it up. And it's going to do users turn in desktop workspace echo hello, and then it's going to say hello. Echo hello is telling it to say hello, and this is doing what this previous line had told it to do. Now it's going to say pause, and it's going to carry out what it's told to do, and it's going to pause. That way you can see the screen. Now hit enter. Has no more code to read, so obviously it exits the program. Now, if you don't have this pause, say you don't have it, file, save. Try and open it. Nothing. Because what it's doing is it's automatically saying hello and it's getting out of there because there's no pause for you to see the screen. So it's completing what it's told to do and then it's automatically shutting down. So you need the pause. Now, with the pause, it says press any key to continue, ... and it just doesn't look as neat and clean as what I would want it to look. So what you're going to do is you're going to do space, you're going to do shift, you're going to do the greater sign. Pause is greater than null. Okay. Well, that's going to do is going to get rid of that. And you want to get rid of the where it says users turn in workspace desktop and all of that, right? Right. I would think you would, and you wouldn't want it to tell you what its code is telling it to do, and then see that it does it. So what you're going to do is you're going to do at echo off. Okay. How many of y'all have seen the movie Matrix? Okay. Well, if y'all have, y'all will recognize somewhat of the color. I got to look up the exact color, but you can do color A. Wait, what did I do? One A, and then it's going to. So what it's going to do is it's going to keep it from doing the user's desktop workspace, blah blah blah. It's going to change the color to A, and it's going to say hello without saying echo hello, then saying hello afterwards, and then it's going to pause it without showing the press any key to continue ... Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to save. You're going to open it up. Voila. It just says hello, and it is in the color green. I know the Matrix used a yellow-green type of color. You can use it on this as well. I have just got to look up the actual what to type in for it to use it. So you hit enter, and it closes out the program because there's no more code to read from the program. So now you go back to it. Now this program, we're just going to do something real quick, something real small, nothing too fancy. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to do set, you're going to do /, you're going to do space /p space program. Okay. Then you're going to do equal, and you're going to do, my bad. Okay, let me explain this. One equal sign doesn't mean equal. Two equal signs back to back. So see, watch. Do this. That doesn't mean equal. That does. Okay. This right here is assigning the function. It's telling it. I forgot the exact way to word this. It's been a while since I coded, so I'd had to. Anyways, one equal sign doesn't mean equal. So if you're trying to say this text equals to this text, so if this text equals this text, then carry out this line of code. That's not what that means. So if you're trying to do the if statement and you're trying to do if this text equals this text, then carry out this code, you're going to do if, and then you're going to do equal and equal. And we'll get to the if statements later because if statements are a little bit more complex. Okay, so I'm going to sit here, program, capital W. What would you like to do? The question mark, and you're going to do that. Then you're going to hit enter. Now you got to do this right here for it to go to what it's trying to do. So I'll explain this here in a second after I write it out. Okay. So what this is asking is saying program. It's going to ask you what would you like to do, and it's going to give you a spot to type in what you would like to do. And then it's going to, after you type it in, it's going to go down and it's going to go to program. Now the percent signs is defining what it's doing. It's adding. It's what makes it go to the program that it's supposed to go to. Okay. So now, what you want to do right here, I forgot to tell you this. So what you're going to do is you're going to do echo, do a dash, and right now we're just going to do a help screen. That way people can, know what your program is about. So we're going to do echo dash help. Okay. So now we're going to go down here. Do this help. We're going to go down. I'm going to set /p program equals what do you not understand? Okay. Question mark there. But I add a menu here as well. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to do echo dash. We're going to do let's just do function. So that way it tells the function of your program. So now go here, and you're going to type in whenever it asks what do you not understand. You're going to type in